What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to earn money with picoworkers.com. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get straight into the video. Picoworkers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. With Picoworkers, it's kind of two ways. You can either be an employer or a worker. So when you come here, you can decide if you want to be a worker or an employer. Just read about the website, have a clear understanding about the website, how it works, and see if you really want to participate and start making money with this site. But in this video, since we are interested in making money with this site, we would rather sign up as a worker. So let's go ahead and sign as a worker. So let's click on sign up. So here on the sign up page, here you can see here you have to put in your real information, because definitely you have to link in one of the methods that you will receive your money, and that method that you will link in, you have to really show proof that you are really the one, that you are a real person. So I advise you here to really put in your real name here. You put in your email, your password, you can put your nickname here, then you choose the country that you are from. Then here you choose whether if you want to become a worker or an employer. Since we are interested in completing tasks to make money, we choose as a worker. I will make another video to show you how to make money as an employer on this site, but in this video I'm going to show you how to make money as a worker. So just go ahead and sign out. So here when you come here, you can see here then the amount of jobs that you can participate and start earning your money. So here you can see here micro jobs. So here we have about 787 resource, which means we have about 787 work that you can participate and earn with them. When you participate with this work, you earn about 20 cents. This one is a hot offer. Download an ebook. When you follow and complete it, you earn about $3 for participating with this tax. So you can just go ahead to choose the tax that you see fit, the one that you feel like you can participate and start earning money with it. So here, let's go ahead and let me show you how the site works. You have here job levels. We don't need to talk much about it, because as a beginner, definitely you become a starter, because the advanced and expert is locked. But the more you start participating with it, they'll open the advanced or expert for you. So here we have categories. So with this categories here, you can see you choose the categories that you want to complete this tax. So you have different type of categories that you can participate and start earning. And here you also have the sub categories here. And here we have your payments. Here with the payment, you can choose the amount that you want to earn per each tax. So let's just say, you can see here I chose like 0.02 to $3. Then when you click apply, it will only show tax that pay between 0.2 cents to $3. You can also choose the location that you want to work on. So this location, it will give you the tax that are only focused on this particular location, which you can already choose one of the countries to start working with. Go ahead, let me show you how you can earn money with it. Let's go back to the category to make things much easier. So let's say you want to earn money by participating in one of these categories. So here when you come here you can see these are some of the tasks that you can complete and start earning. So with this one, this is about Twitter, change pics plus likes, and rate and tag 3 friends. So when you go ahead and let's just open it in another tab. So here you can see these are the countries that are excluded countries. Here we have Italy, United States, United Kingdom, France, Canada, Nigeria, China, Germany, Poland, and Slovenia. So here you can see these are what is expected from a worker. You need to change your Twitter picture to NFT related image. You download a good NFT image, so you can go to this place, then just make a change. So you can just read the guidelines. This is the guidelines, as simple as that. You just read the guidelines, then follow the guidelines. Then after completing it, this is what you have to submit your proof. Here screenshot shows that you have made likes, retweets, and comments. So you have to show proof to really show that you really participate with it. So it's kind of like self-explanatory. You can just go through it and able to complete with it. And if you don't want to participate with the Twitter, you can just go back here, then click here, and let's choose this one, which is sign up. So this will only show taxes that are only for sign-ups, that you have to sign up, open an account before you're able to earn. So here you can see this one. So this one, after completing, you earn about $1. And this Ruby for click, you earn about 8 cents. Here, made in China, you earn about 25 cents. So you can just go through them to see the one that you feel you really want to participate with it. They start earning with it. Let me show you this. Sometimes when you want to participate with it, just make sure that you move your cursor to this side. When it shows the high satisfied tax, it means it has high percentage of being paid. And when you come here, you can see here another one, high satisfied tax rating. It means when you complete the tax, there's a high rate of you being paid, because some of these employers, they will only come here, then they will pay the tax, and when you complete the tax, and they'll end up not paying you. As you can see here, it has low satisfied tax rating. When you see a sign like this, which is red, stay away from this type of tax. Don't waste your time participating with it. You wait your time and participate with it, at the end you'll not be paid. So just engage the one that are having high tax, or you can also engage the one which is no tax rated yet. because the more you participate, the more it will start showing. Participate with this, you can see here 10 to 8 sign up, you get about 10 cents. Let's just go ahead and let me show you how to in with this. You can see high satisfy tax rating 108 out of 112 has been done. So here you just go ahead, let's open another link. So here this star click sign up. I know any excluded countries means worldwide. So what is expected from you? So new users only. So here you go to this site. So all you have to do is just to copy this site, then you paste it, you go to start clicks. So this is the site. So let's just go back and read sign up as a publisher, not advertiser. So here when you want to sign up, you make sure that you sign up as a publisher, but not rather as an advertiser. You sign as a publisher in a way that you can also make money with it, because this star clicks, you can earn money by clicking ads with star click. I have a video that takes you through step by step on how to earn money with star clicks. So here let's go back, and here you can see sign as a publisher, not advertiser. Put your referral ID, which is very important. You have to put this ID there when you are signing up. If you don't put the ID, you'll not be paid. And you log into your StarClick account and verify your email and phone number, which is very important. So these are the notes. Just read the notes. You see, you can just read the notes, and this required proof the task was finished. Make sure that you read this required proofs, because this is what you have to fill in order for you to be able to pay it after signing up with StarClicks. So here your StarClick account name used to sign up. For you to do, let's just go back ahead and let me show you how. So here you come here, then you go to sign up. So in the sign up here, this is what we was talking about, publisher. You create an account as a publisher, but not as an advertiser. So you click on publisher. So when you come here, you just fill in your information, your date of birth. Make sure you put in your phone number. Before we start, you have to verify. You scroll down here, account security. So here, this way you paste the code. After filling the information, you paste this code. This code is very important. You have to paste this code. You should show that you have really used this referral code before you're able to pay, because when you sign up with this, you get a percentage for referring you. This is how you earn his money, for referring you, because he earn a commission for referring you. You also put in your country here, then a screenshot of your email and your phone verification, just like this. You copy this just to go and see what he's really demanding. After the verification and email verification, this is supposed to take the screenshot. So when you are done, then you paste it, then you submit. When you submit, then you just wait. Here you can see time to rate is 7 days. Sometimes if you even get the payment before 7 days, here you can see these are just some few tasks that are completed, and this is the amount that I've earned so far. And you can see I still have about 10 cents pending. We have a lot of tasks that you can participate. So let's say with the sign up, we have about 180 results, which some are paying $1, some are paying 25 cents on an average. So let me just bring a calculator out. So let's just say you complete about 100 of these tasks times 1 cent. So you can see you're making about $10. So it's as simple as that. So you can just start participating with this site and start earning with this site. So you can also refer a friend and also earn a commission. Post your affiliate links on a blog or website for social media, or write Picoworkers review, refer new members, freelancer or business owner, and earn commission reward. So here you get paid 10% for each deposit or tax. If you refer them, they join the site as a worker or as an employer, you get a commission from your referrer. So here you can see here my tax. You can see finished tax about 7, and satisfy plus paid about 3, and I still have a pending, which is 4. So you can see, so in total there's 7 tax that I have finished. So the 7 tax alone, in total I'll earn almost about 19 cents, and you don't need to waste much time in participating with this site. It's kind of simple. If you really want to earn with this site, go through the site, make sure that you have done your research before you start engaging with this site. You can start working with tasks that are only on Telegram. We have Discord, we have video marketing. You can just go through these categories, choose the one they want to work with, and start earning your money. It's as simple as that. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.